Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this integral evaluation can be solved in seconds if you know the right tricks. Let us break down the specific problem right now. The function g is defined as the integral of f from 1 to x. By the fundamental theorem, g of 1 must be 0, which eliminates options where that fails. Since f is negative for x less than 1, the integral g of x must be negative there. For x greater than 1, f is positive, so g must be positive. Checking the signs against our options, only Table C provides negative values for x less than 1 and positive values for x greater than 1, matching the correct integral behavior.
Got it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore signs or skip bounds. Always use the integral and check g of 1.